Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, we're going to discuss about some of the new adjustments that we're doing right now on the booking page. So on the booking page, we have a lot of adjustments already done. However, more is coming because we're upgrading it gradually and we're improving every part of it. And one of the things that we start to realize is, of course, if you have a van booking. So let's go back here. And let's search here. Alright, so for example, Kim Batista is going to travel to Tagaytay. Very nice and cold place for right now in the summer. And it's upcoming. So if you click on this, and let's search here, you can see here Kim Batista is from a dentist company, corporation. And you can see all the information. This new feature is going to come, and as you can see here, we are starting to offering all the options here. But what's going to happen is this new feature is very simple. You might quite often have a van rental request. And maybe you're outsourcing it, or maybe not. Maybe you have your own van. However, what is very common is that most van rental companies will not supply you with a van voucher. So they don't have a voucher. So what we're going to do is, and this is right now in development as well, is that we believe that it would be more valuable if you would click on here and automatically get a van voucher with all the information that you have here. So this will serve you more better, and this will help you and your customer better to serve them as well, because then what happens? You get a nice professional voucher with your logo. Of course, right now this is the CouponBet logo. However, very soon there's an option here that you can adjust your logo, adjust this logo to your logo, and then your logo will be shown on the voucher. And that's very important. We believe that's really important, that you can adjust the logo, of course, so that customers will get a feeling that this is a travel agency, professional travel agency with their own vouchers. And so this is really one of the new features that we're going to add up, since this will help you and your travel agency to be more professional and more efficient, because quite often you have to wait for the information, or maybe you need to wait for a voucher. But if you have your own voucher that looks in your design very professional, that is beneficial for you. And that's really what's going to happen, and that's what you can expect very soon. And this button will be only visible if the customer books a van tour. So if there would be another tour like a plane ticket, of course this is not possible and not necessary, because probably you have the plane ticket voucher from your operator, or AirAsia, Cebu Pacific, PAL, whoever you use, you get their voucher. So this is really it. So if you like this and you think that CouponBet is suitable for you, sign up right away. Go to couponbet.com and register now.